Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, today we have an opening from Zomato for the customer support role. So, we know about Zomato, right? It's one of the India's promising, like the food ordering application in India, and it have been founded in 2008. So, there is a lot many opportunities in Zomato, like in different aspects, from developing to customer support. There are a lot many opportunities available. So this is an opportunity from customer support. It's completely work from home, and it's applicable for all the people who is 12th pass. Okay, so and UG, PG, whatever, freshers or experienced, whoever can apply to this job, and you can just earn up to 19,500 to 22,500 monthly. Okay, so buying your home with less resources, this is the best opportunity if you wish to earn and if you wish to go for these kind of jobs. Okay, so let's see what are the details regarding that in general. So first we have the job description here. So job description is what you will be performing there, being a customer support executive. So it's like you are not handling the calls probably, you will be handling the chat process. So here resolving chats raised by the customer through their application. So we must have ordered some food, or we must have interacted with the chat team in the Zomato. So whatever queries that we are putting forward to them, they will be resolving it, right? So this is what you are doing. And also resolving the ticket for the following reasons, like the order status, the cancellation, the delivery instructions, location is issue, everything. You should handle it by yourself, and you should know about the products inside and outside so that you can answer the queries and resolve the complaints. And also you have to process the orders, then forms, applications, if any requests that you have to do, then all the transaction records and who took it for whom and everything as updations is made by you. And you should be very positive, very empathetic and professional attitude towards the customer call every time. Okay, that is should be polite enough. You should not be aggressive to them, and ensure customer satisfaction and provide professional customer support and chats. Okay, so this is about the job description available for this particular job. And now we have the eligibility criteria. So as I've mentioned in the beginning itself, it is applicable for 12th pass students. If you're an 18 plus and if you have passed 12 standard, you can apply for this. Graduates or whoever can try it. Okay, so since everything is happening work from home, every studies, everything is happening, so if you're an 80 plus and 12 passed, all the students can to try applying to this job. Okay, now freshers and experience, both, anyone can apply. Only the language skill is mandatory, that is you should be very good communication skill in English and Hindi. It doesn't mean that you must be a great orator, or you must have like like that English that delivering the speech. You must be able to use simple phrases to communicate with the customers, and should possess very good written communication skill. Yes, of course, because you are doing in a chat, so you must be able to type them well and do it good. Then typing speeds must be 30 words per minute with accuracy 85%. So this is an average, like every most of them will be having. So if you're very close to that percentage criteria, you can apply for that. On mean course of time, you will improve anyway. Then candidate should have own system, the laptop or desktop with the Wi-Fi dongle. So once you get the job, you can get all this, right? Laptop or desktop, if you have with it, just take it up Wi-Fi and apply for this job. Okay. Now, shift timing will be, you must be flexible to work 24 into 7 hours. That is like any time between this, your shift may fall, maybe at the daytime, maybe at the night time. You must be available at any time. And 6 days is mandatory working, and they have not mentioned like the leaves will be in weekends alone. So it can be on weekdays, it can be on weekends. 1 day a week you will get off. Okay, now work location, it's permanently work from home. So 2,34,000 to 2,94,000 is a salary available. So for customer support role, that to 12th pass graduation criteria, this is actually a good package available. Okay, and working days and shifts is same as that as we uh, did, as we explained. So now next we have this is the criteria which all that I have mentioned. So to apply for that, you can go with the link that I've mentioned in the description for the able jobs. So once you go on that, you will have to attend an assessment. An assessment, in a sense, it will be very simple, something like this. You will get some random questions like this, like 10 or 20. So you can just go for the same and try applying that. And after, once you get qualified, you will be intimated through WhatsApp message. They will contact you through WhatsApp. And after that, you will be given free training courses, like how you should be a good customer support executive. Okay, so they're giving free training courses with that. And after that, you can apply for the same. Okay, and after the course, they will be intimating you the opening, and once you get it, so everything is not so long, like 6 months, 7 months. That's not like that. It will be happening very in a short time. Okay, so whoever try to go for this job, please to apply it at the earliest. Go with the link that I've mentioned, the description. Apply at the earliest. There are so much people who have got or who's doing the jobs like this from home and earning by themselves, all the 12 past students. Okay, so guys, this opportunity is like that. So make sure you try for the same if you are looking forward some jobs that you can take it from home itself. Okay, so that's it, guys. So if you have any further doubts regarding anything that I've mentioned in this video, please do let us know in the comment section, and your queries and your concerns regarding the placement related things, everything you can put up in the comment section. We will look forward for that, and we'll come up with a video regarding that as well. Okay, so this is an opening from Zomato for the customer support role. So go with the link that I've mentioned in the description to apply for the same. Okay, so until I come up with another video regarding another opportunity available for you, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.